Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Mufti Fauzi, and now I wanna clear my job to make a video review film, and the film is Ron Clark story movie. The synopsis: the film has a simple story but has a relaxed plot. Tells the story of the spirit of a teacher with a different method in teaching for selected students at an elementary school in New York. The main character in this film is Ron Clark, played by Matthew Perry, a very intelligent, never give up, loving, innovative, creative, and passionate teacher. This 90-minute film has been in the spotlight, especially for the development of education. Mr. Clark is his nickname. Initially, he became a teacher at a school in California in 1994. Because of his success in teaching, only after 4 years was he considered a permanent teacher at the school and was awarded with the name Mr. Clark carved on the sidewalk of the school parking lot. Starting from there, he decided to move to New York to be able to teach there. In his efforts to find a school, he was finally accepted at Inner Harlem Elementary School. Right when a teacher left the school with guidance from the principal, Mr. Turner initially did not believe in Mr. Clark, who will face this class where when all teachers failed to overcome one problematic at Harlem Elementary School. Mr. Clark confidently tries to solve the problem. Before solving the problem, before starting to teach at the school, he first tries to get to know the individuals in the class more personally by visiting the homes and parents of each student and finding out the different conditions and backgrounds of each child. With the fact that the class he got at the school was nicknamed Unwanted Class, where the students had no interest in learning and lacked a sense of respect for a teacher. He tried to implement several rules for his class, where the first rule was, "We are family." Mr. Clark strongly emphasized the existence of students and teachers as a family who must help, respect, and love each other. The second is take risk, and the third is respect each other. In teaching his students, Mr. Clark used a unique method and can make his students feel comfortable in the learning process. Whether it's dancing in class, learning by singing, and doing private extra lessons for his students. With this enthusiasm for teaching, he even forgot to maintain his health by suffering from pneumonia. In the middle of his teaching journey, Mr. Clark also had despair and intended to stop teaching because a number of students could not accept his presence as a teacher who remained enthusiastic to survive in their class. One of them was a student named Semika, but luckily there was more rains. With these situations until Mr. Clark changed his mind to give up and return to teaching. After the national examination, Mr. Clark held an event by inviting parents of students to attend to show them the results of the children's learning so far. In the middle of event, the principal, Mr. Turner, came and announced that one of his students got the highest ranking in the national examination, and the class average score beat the top class in the school. Representing her friends, Shamika said, "Mr. Clark, thank you for always being there, even when we don't want it. You give us inspiration." And for the next, the character most I like is Ron Clark and Shamika, because Mr. Clark is really have spirit and never give up for all situation, and innovative and creative. And then Shamika is student has never give up too, like Mr. Clark. And then most doesn't like character, in my opinion, is Mr. Brampton. He like wild people. He beat his children. And Marisa is woman is not. And then Marisa is woman not honest for her couple, because he like Mr. Clark. And then the part of film, most like part of film, in my opinion, is all of Mr. Clark's students successfully graduated and got good grades, even exceeding the grades of the top class at the school. And then most doesn't like part, in my opinion, is when Taesyeon couldn't attend the Phantom Theater because he was beaten by Mr. Brampton. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.